Social media content and marketing strategy video number 2 out of 5, platform selection. Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, with so many social media platforms to choose from, it can be really overwhelming. Here's the deal. Where is your target audience hanging out? Do you know that they're more on Facebook because that's where you get the most messages, or on Instagram because you know you have lots of likes and comments and DMs, or maybe they're younger and they're on TikTok. So think about it, or ask your clients what's the platform that they prefer. Second thing you want to consider is, where are you the most comfortable? So if you think it's really easy to post content on Instagram, or if you're a bit familiar with that platform, then start with that. Pick one social media platform and master it. You can always repurpose some content once you get good at it on other platforms. Remember that Facebook owns Instagram, WhatsApp, and Messenger. So it's a good idea to have an optimized Facebook business page and to link it to your Instagram business account. Also, think about YouTube. YouTube is owned by Google, and Google is the biggest search engine in the world. So can you create some evergreen content that could be on YouTube to help with your search engine? We'll talk about this in the next video.